You see how close this squirrel is to me? That is too cute. He's playing with wood. That is so cute. Just a few feet. This right here lets you know what type of spiritual vibration that I'm on. So I just want to say hi to YouTube. I've been on YouTube for some years, and I've enjoyed watching others' videos, but I haven't really decided to make my own until now. And what you will notice that when I do upload videos, my videos will be mostly showing things in nature. I'm not going to show my face because I'm a private person, and I think that's really irrelevant to show my face. There's no point. I'm tickled at this squirrel frolicking and playing with this wood. That is too cute. Like I said, my name in her image. I just wanted to introduce myself, let you know that I felt like it was time for me to speak. I've been on a spiritual path for a long time. In another video, I will go into depth of how long I think I've been on a spiritual journey. I think we all have been on a spiritual journey. Some of us just don't know it yet. Look at the squirrel. Is he coming towards me with his little stick? That is too cute. And the funny thing is, the squirrel hears me talking, sees me moving, knows I have a phone and a camera up. So this should tell you what type of spirit that I have. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them at the bottom.